Corey here from Creative Audio. Today, we're going to outfit this 2022 Ford Maverick with all of this stuff you see before you today. We're going to be installing the Power Reference speaker upgrade system, as well as a 5-channel Power Reference amplifier, the line output converter for 6 channels to add this all to the factory radio in the truck, as well as the 2 8-inch Mojos. Then after that, we're going to install the remote start. With that, we're going to have the drone with its dash camera. Also optional on this is going to be interior and rear view camera. The drone is going to allow you to control your vehicle from your smartphone. You'll be able to start, lock, and unlock your vehicle all from your phone. We're also going to be adding in the 2-way remotes. Those remotes are going to have 2-way confirmation so that you know whenever you hit a button that your remote start has started. Then we're going to be putting in the Homelink rear view mirror that will allow you to operate your garage doors from your mirror. And then we'll be adding in the Katzkin seat covers. We're going to be replacing the old cloth seats with leather seats, as well as adding in heated seats. And then we're also going to be adding in the tonneau cover, which is below the table here, and a cruise control. Now, let's get into this install. So we've already got this taken apart, put the new Memphis Power Reference series in, and you can see the difference in them. There's quite a big difference between the factory and the aftermarket. Here in the rear, we've already replaced the factory speakers, as you can see with this one, and replaced it with the Power Reference, and these are going to be a lot better than the factory.
All right, so basically the first thing I always do is I'm going to take out the headrest and make it easier to get the seat out. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to undo all 4 seat bolts on the floor. And after we do that, we're going to flip the seat back and we're going to get under there, and there's a connector under there for the airbag and electric seat. We're going to disconnect that. After we get all that out, we can just grab the seat, lift her up, pull her out. So what we're doing is we're actually going to take this cloth cover off. You can see it's kind of gross. And we're going to be reinstalling brand new Katzkin's leather kit on this. Now, included with that, we're also going to be adding a heated seat, and that switch is going to go on the side of the seat here for easy access. I just need to get this sucker disassembled.
While the seats are being finished reupholstered, I'm going to install this amp rack with the Memphis 5-channel and our line output converter here on this little factory bracket that Ford has in here.
All right, so now that we've got the cloth cover off, we're gonna work on fitting the heated pad. Now this is gonna involve a little bit of cutting because we have to go around where the cloth seats fit in. But basically we'll put one of these on the seat, one of these on the back, and we'll run it to a switch. Be nice and warm in the wintertime. We just got that heated seat in. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to steam the leather kit. And what this does is it just makes the leather kit a little bit softer, more malleable, and easier to put on. It will also help keep out wrinkles and stuff while you're stretching it over the foam.
I am pulling this radio out so that I can get signal from the radio to the line output converter.
So now that we've got the leather seat on, we're gonna go ahead and put this guy back together, and we're gonna move on with the rest of the install.
It's been a few days since our Maverick project has started, but now we've got it up and ready to go. And let me show you a couple of things that we've got done on it. Here we are in the cab of the Maverick. We've got our heated seats, our leather kit, all installed. We have our Homelink rear view mirror. We've got our remote start with our drone and dash camera. We've got our audio system all up and running. And our cruise control as well is up and running, and the tonneau cover on the bed. And something cool with this remote start is we were able to install this keypad where you can create your own custom PIN to unlock your vehicle. And with that, We've finished up our install. If you want any of these things done to your vehicle, come by any of our locations or visit us at creativeaudio.net.